Hello guys, this is your boy Japa Konnect. As we were discussing previously on our episode 1 about the organization, the voluntary organization that based in the US and also have a branch in Canada that is currently recruiting volunteers from all over the world. And like we discussed earlier on, and I believe you've already watched the episode 1. So today we'll be talking about this particular organization. Who are these people? How can you apply for this particular opportunity? Now, this particular organization we're talking about is called Camp Hale. C-A-M-P, Camp, then Hill, Hill. That is the name of the organization. And this particular organization have been operating for over 80 years and across over 120 countries. And what this particular organization does is that they build a community whereby they help people in the community who are disabled, people who are suffering maybe from one or two illness, those people who are handicapped, those people who cannot help themselves. That is what they do, and they like building a good community for people to live on. And how can you apply for this particular opportunity we're talking about today? First of all you need to do is for you to create your profile first on the organization website. Then once you have been able to create your profile, you confirm, then try as much as possible to fill in the right information, because whatever you give to them is what they will be working with. And if at the end of the day you are not giving them the right information, they might turn down your application. And the next thing that you need to do is that once you have been able to create your once you've been able to create your profile on the organization website, then you can now scroll down to start seeing different kind of vacancies that is open. There you can start your application. You can apply to any kind of vacancy you see there that you feel that you can fit in. And remember that this particular organization are people that they don't need people who are experienced. So if you are not experienced, it is fine. Apply, show your interest on that particular vacancy that you are saying there. There are people who will be out there to teach you on that particular field that you have chosen, that is where you want to function effectively. And also, if you don't know how to speak English like we discussed earlier on, remember you don't need to bother, because there is somebody still out there that is going to teach you in that same organization how to speak, how to write, and how to communicate with people in English. So you don't need to bother. Thank you. Cheers. If you like what you've just watched right now, please remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us that big thumbs up and share it, for this will enable other people to see what we are doing. Thank you.